The natural world is a fierce arena where life and death always go hand in hand. Every animal has to constantly fight for survival. The lion, as a top predator, always faces many challenges. But there are opponents that even the Lion King must be wary of. Let's learn about the dramatic battles for survival in the wild animal world. Giraffes, with an impressive height of 4.5 to 6 meters and a weight of 800 to 1,200 kg, are the tallest land animals. They have 4 long and powerful legs, with the front legs measuring about 2.5 to 3 meters long. The giraffe's hooves, which can generate a powerful impact force, are an effective self-defense tool. When faced with the threat of predators such as lions, giraffes use their hooves to stomp on their enemies. In one situation, a giraffe was attacked by a group of lions. In self-defense, the giraffe stood on its hind legs and used its front legs to stomp down on the lion's back and hips. The giraffe's hooves generated up to 2,000 pounds of force, causing serious injury to the lion. As a result, the lion was seriously injured and forced to retreat. Hippos are huge and powerful animals that can weigh between 1,500 and 4,500 kg and measure between 3.3 and 5.2 meters in length. Although they are not agile on land, hippos are very powerful in water. They have skin that is 2.5 to 5 cm thick to protect their bodies from injuries. And their teeth can be up to 50 cm long, enough to cause serious damage to any attacker. In one situation, when lions approached hippos near a river, hippos attacked fiercely with their teeth and body strength, forcing the lions to retreat and abandon the attack. This strong resistance proves that hippos are formidable opponents, capable of defending themselves effectively both on land and in water. Zebras, although frequently targeted by lions, have shown surprising resilience in many situations. When attacked by lions, zebras use their muscular strength to fight off their predators. Lions often attempt to clamp down on zebras with their powerful jaws. With a bite force of up to 400 psi, in an attempt to suffocate the zebra. However, zebras have a powerful defense response, including powerful kicks from their front and hind legs, with up to 1,000 pounds of force. In some cases, zebras have successfully escaped the grip of lions by kicking the predator's body and head, forcing the lion to retreat or injure itself. One notable example is when a zebra, pinned by a lion on its back, used its hind legs to push and pull the lion off, then ran away at a top speed of up to 65 km/h 40 mph. The wildebeest is a large herbivore that lives in the grasslands of Africa. It weighs between 150 and 270 kg and is about 1.8 to 2.4 meters long. One of the most distinctive features of the wildebeest is its pair of sharp, curved horns, 50 to 80 cm long, which are used for defense in a typical attack. A wildebeest surrounded by two lions fights back vigorously using its horns. The wildebeest stands on its hind legs and uses its horns to lift and gore the lion, creating a powerful force that can reach up to 500 pounds force. The lion is lifted and thrown far away, causing it to be stunned and forced to retreat. The buffalo, despite its calm appearance, is one of the most dangerous animals in the wild due to its strength and speed. The buffalo weighs between 900 and 1,800 kg and has a body length of about 2 to 3 meters. Their horns can be 0.9 to 1.5 meters long, and when attacking, the buffalo can reach speeds of up to 48 km/h. The fight between elephants and a pride of lions is an impressive and fierce battle in the animal kingdom. While elephants, with their massive size and overwhelming strength, are often seen as unbeatable, lions are known for their tactical coordination and bravery. When a pride of lions attempts to attack an elephant, the confrontation is dramatic. Elephants, with their massive size and powerful punches, often easily repel the lion's attacks, while the pride of lions must use group tactics and attack from multiple directions to create pressure. In the end, the elephant's superior strength often makes them the winners of this battle. But the lions do not always give up easily. The scimitar oryx, a wild animal known for its impressive defensive features, has shown resilience in the face of lion attacks. The scimitar oryx has a body length of 1.4 to 2.2 meters and a weight of 80 to 150 kg. It possesses long, sharp horns which can reach 60 cm in length and are used as an important defense tool. When attacked by a lion, the scimitar oryx will use its horns to fight off the predator. These sharp horns are capable of causing serious injuries to the lion. with the force of the impact being able to penetrate the lion's skin and muscle. In one particular incident, a scimitar oryx used its horns to repel a lion by pointing its horns at the lion and attacking from multiple angles. The success in driving off the lion demonstrates that the scimitar oryx, although not a predator, can use its natural defense mechanisms to protect itself and maintain safety. Crocodiles, with their impressive size and strength, are one of the lion's most formidable opponents. Crocodiles can range from 2.5 to 7 meters in length and weigh from 225 to 1,000 kg, depending on the species. They possess extremely powerful jaws with a bite force of up to 16,000 newtons N, enough to crush bones and cause serious injuries. With 60 to 80 sharp teeth ranging from 2 to 4 cm long, crocodiles are capable of tearing flesh and holding their prey effectively. In confrontations, when lions try to cross rivers or approach crocodiles, they face fierce attacks. Crocodiles can move quickly underwater, at speeds of up to 32 km/h, and attack by charging at lions or biting them hard. These attacks often leave lions seriously injured or forced to retreat to protect themselves. Dogs, although not a top predator, have shown impressive courage and protection when facing lions. Dogs may be much smaller animals than lions, with an average size of 30 cm to 80 cm in height and a weight of 10 kg to 40 kg. But they have shown remarkable fighting spirit when facing larger predators. Honey badgers, despite being much smaller than lions, have shown surprising strength and endurance in confrontations with larger predators. Honey badgers have a body length of 60 to 80 cm and weigh around 9 to 16 kg. They have thick, hard fur, along with thick skin and protective fat that helps protect against predators' bites and claws. One of the most striking characteristics of honey badgers is their ferocity and ability to fight back. They can attack their enemies by biting, scratching, and using their sharp claws. Although they do not have the same size and strength as lions, honey badgers can show courage and determination in defending themselves. The battle between a pride of hyenas and a pride of lions is a spectacular confrontation in the wild, marked by tension and sophisticated tactics. When the hyenas, intelligent and fierce predators, confront the lions, powerful and dominant warriors, the battle is dramatic. The hyenas, with their large numbers and close coordination, do not hesitate to attack and harass the lions, while the lions, with their strength and power, react strongly to protect their territory and prey. This confrontation often leads to intense battles and battles, demonstrating the fierceness and uncompromising competition in the natural world. Porcupines, although not typical predators, have shown strong self-defense when facing lions. Porcupines can be described with specific parameters, such as size from 25 cm to 60 cm in body length, and weight from 1 kg to 4 kg. They possess a special coat with thousands of sharp spines, which can be from 2 cm to 10 cm long, which serve as an effective defense tool. When facing lions, porcupines use these spines to defend themselves. In some situations, a large group of porcupines can create significant difficulties for lions. These porcupines not only use their spines to inflict pain on predators, but can also create a natural barrier that makes it difficult for lions to approach. During an attack, when a group of porcupines surrounds a lion, they can attack simultaneously by pointing their spines at the lion, forcing the lion to retreat or abandon the hunt.